are clothes. People wear different kinds of dresses in different parts of India. The clothes that people wear are largely influenced by the climate of the place they live in. The clothes that people wear also change according to the seasons. The dresses of people in cold regions like Kashmir is quite different from the dresses of people in hot and humid regions like Tamil Nadu. Some clothes are common throughout our country. Sari, salwar kameez, trousers, shirt, kurta and pajama are dresses worn all over the country. However, some clothes are typical to a region. We can often tell which region of our country a person belongs to by looking at the clothes she or he is wearing. Dresses of men. The dresses of men differ from state to state in India. Shirt with trousers is the most common dress in cities and towns all over the country. Kurtas are worn in different combinations in different places. Kurtas worn with dhotis, pajamas, churidars or lungis are popular in most of the northern and eastern states as well as in the states of central India. A lungi is a cloth worn around the waist by men. Lungi kurta or lungi with a shirt is commonly worn in the southern states. The lungi is called mundu in Kerala and veshti in Tamil Nadu. In Rajasthan, pajamas or dhoti is worn as the lower garment and angarkha as upper garment. In Gujarat, men wear a short frilled white angarkha over white pajamas or dhoti and a jacket. In several states, men wear turbans or caps to cover their heads. The style of drawing the turban differs from state to state. Dresses of women. Women also wear different kinds of dresses in different parts of India. Sari is the most common piece of clothing, but it is dyed in different ways in different states. In fact, from the way the sari is draped or tied, we can tell which state the woman belongs to. The weave and design of the cloth also varies from state to state. Let us look at some of the traditional clothes worn by women in different states of India. Women from Rajasthan in their traditional dress, ghagra choli and odhni. Mekhla chador is the traditional dress of women in Assam. People from Nagaland in their traditional clothes. Mundu sari of Kerala, ghagra kurta of Haryana, salwar peran of Kashmir, salwar kameez and dupatta of Punjab. Salwar kameez or churidar kameez has become popular in other parts of the country too. Apart from traditional dresses, the people of India also wear Western dresses. Western clothes such as trousers, shirts, jeans, t-shirts, skirts and jackets have also become popular among both men and women. On weddings and other special occasions, people wear expensive clothes and heavy jewelry. Each state has a special bridal wear.